Canola oil. You've seen it in your kitchen, but did you know it could be in your skincare too? From deep hydration to anti-aging benefits, this plant-based oil is more than just a cooking staple. But before you slather it on your face, let's find out if canola oil is actually good for your skin, or if it might do more harm than good. Canola oil comes from crushed canola seeds, a genetically modified version of the rapeseed plant developed in Canada in 1979. While rapeseed oil often refers to the industrial version, canola oil is the edible kind used in cooking, and increasingly in beauty products too. It's found in everything from moisturizers to hair conditioners, thanks to its nourishing, plant-based properties. So, what makes canola oil skin-friendly? Let's break down the benefits. Moisture retention. Canola oil is semi-occlusive, which means it helps the skin lock in moisture by reducing transepidermal water loss. Translation? It keeps your skin from drying out. Balanced fatty acids. It has a 2:1 ratio of oleic acid to linoleic acid, almost identical to the fatty acid ratio in healthy skin. This balance helps maintain the skin's natural barrier. Antioxidants and vitamins. Canola oil is packed with vitamins E, K, and C, plus phenolics and lipids that offer antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and even anti-wrinkle effects. Vitamin E helps protect skin from free radicals and aging. Vitamin K may reduce dark spots and improve skin elasticity. Vitamin C can help with blemishes and skin tone by fading hyperpigmentation. Sounds like a skincare superfood, right? Hold up, it's not perfect for everyone. If you have acne-prone skin, proceed with caution. Canola oil has a comedogenic rating of 4. That's pretty high. This means it can clog pores and potentially worsen acne. So while its nutrients sound amazing, the risk of breakouts may outweigh the benefits for some users. If you're acne-prone, you're better off using non-comedogenic alternatives. Want to try it out? Don't reach for the bottle in your pantry just yet. Use skincare products that contain canola oil instead. These are specially formulated so the oil blends well with other ingredients and reduces the risk of irritation or clogged pores. Canola oil is commonly found in moisturizers, lotions, face masks, conditioners, even sunscreens. Always do a patch test first, and if you experience redness, breakouts, or irritation, consult a dermatologist. In short, canola oil can be a skin savior, especially for dry or aging skin, thanks to its rich vitamin content and moisture-locking abilities. But for oily or acne-prone skin types, it's best used with caution or not at all. Stick with formulated products, not cooking oil from your kitchen, and listen to your skin. After all, what works wonders for one person might cause flare-ups in another. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more smart skincare tips. Have you tried canola oil in your routine? Drop your experience in the comments below.